Hello and welcome back to Food with Fitz, where I show off some of my favorite homemade recipes. Here we have something for a nice cold winter night: chicken tortilla soup. Grab a large pot or Dutch oven and add about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil on medium-high heat. Next, we'll take 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs and fry them until brown on both sides. I've seasoned these with garlic powder, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Once a crust is formed on each side, remove the chicken and set it aside to cool. With the heat turned down to medium-low, we'll now add both a medium-sized onion and bell pepper. The moisture they release will make it easier to scrape the fond off the bottom of the pot. With the vegetables now softened, add in a couple tablespoons of minced garlic as well as our seasoning, which is made from the following: Before we add our chicken stock, we're going to take 2 dried and de-seeded guajillo peppers and 1 dried and de-seeded ancho pepper and toss them in to rehydrate. We use 6 cups of chicken stock or until the peppers are fully submerged. Turn the heat back up to medium-high and also add in your chicken thighs to finish cooking. Once the soup has come to a simmer, take out the rehydrated peppers and chicken. The peppers will be added to a blender with about 14 ounces of canned tomatoes. The chicken will be set aside to be shredded. We're now going to add the blended mixture along with our shredded chicken. In addition, we're going to add 1/2 cup of frozen corn and 1 can of black beans, drained. Another 10 minutes of simmering and the soup is complete. Top the soup with some shredded cheese. Here I've used some pepper jack along with some tortilla strips. Optionally, you could add slices of avocado or even a dollop of sour cream. This soup comes in at over 500 calories and 30 grams of protein. Thanks for watching. Check out my page for more recipes.